schedule and waking up early so that you don't miss the one good meal of the day because they have chocos that on alternating days. How can I don't know how can you I don't know how can I don't know. How can I take it?
Don't tell me. I mean, I was the member of that menu design committee, random committee which was built up. but you know what? Worry not, because he's going to regale us with a lot of personal life memories. And
wait, if this is TEDx, I'm not going, man. I'm just going to go for a jog now.
No, this is a stand-up. I mean, our final stand-up performance.
Oh, yeah.
All right. We have Sudhindra. We're excited to see you. And people who are streaming right now, Sudhindra actually has, he's an artist. He has been drawing a lot of us. And, on public forum, Sudhindra, draw us. Like, really. Yeah. I mean, we are waiting to see that, okay? So, that's a task which you have now. I hope this comes through. But good luck. The stage is yours. Make us laugh. I mean, we're waiting for this.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Shweta. Thank you, Ashish. No, don't worry. It was just an act. It was not. There is no issue with the internet today, right? So I was just asking my daughter before the show that can you get me a comb? Then she said this should do. Okay. So I think we become a little bit of automatically become a stand-up comedian. So I started stand-up comedy when I realized that I told my friends one day, you know what, I'm thinking of doing stand-up comedy. And all of them looked at me, and after a few seconds, they just burst into laughter. Okay, I said, this is the confirmation I needed. Okay? So what I'm going to do today is, all the Indian presses, public interest is going to contain the EPG, only. This you would have heard. We are all guys who put in money in MF, mutual fund. It's very simple. So what you have agreed by being silent is that whatever I'm going to say today, any resemblance to anybody is purely intentional. Okay, you will not go and file a PIL like Ashish was saying in the morning, right? So it's very important that we don't do that. I mean, it's strange. Only thing is because I don't get the live feedback, so I bugged Namit to hell, and he said, okay, you know what? You pay me X, I laugh at everything you say. So all the laughter you're hearing is only because me and Namit have a deal in the background. But it makes me Atmanirbhar, like Tony was saying, it makes me Atmanirbhar. And a lot of interpretations for Atmanirbhar. If you see Collins Dictionary, it says self-reliance and it says self-sufficient. But there are very unique people, the political pundits also, right? Who find new meanings which don't exist. They think it's a deal between BJP and RJD. Have any one of you could imagine that this could be true? Just write Atmanirbhar, Atmanirbar. I have written it for you just to make it easy. If you read it from the back, where the arrow is, it becomes Rabri, Namta. So there is a deal between them. It's a code word. They have something going on in between, right? So this is the kind of way we build up things which don't exist and make something very big. My Hindi sucks, okay, and it still does, and I have improved a lot, so to say. But if you see how obsessed we can be with English, for example, this friend of mine, he went to England and he came back and he was super excited, what he saw in England. I said, what the hell was all about? He said, in England, even small kids speak English. I said, come on, yeah, that is their bloody mother tongue. They should speak that language. But we built this hero worship. If Rajnikant hits, the person should fall 2 villages away, minimum, because he is a hero. In Jab Tak Ke Jaan, now I have to take permission from all the SRK fans, right? Where is a bomb? There is a heroine. There is a bomb squad with mask and everything, bomb suit, protective gear, everything. But no, only SRK diffuses it in a simple grey t-shirt because he is a hero. This is creating a lot of trouble. When I was in Holland, we had a release that had to come from Bangalore when I was working there. That day, most of you might know who are also exposed to Karnataka, Dr. Rajkumar died. He's a doyen of Karnataka cinema. Imagine the chaos here. Not only the city, entire state has been, shut down. There comes this call, and I have to tell my boss, Hardy, that we will not get the release planned for today. They just hate it because we Indians tell it in the last minute. The two bad news. Okay. So I told Hardy, here's the conversation. Imagine my situation. Okay. Yes, Kaushik. Yes, the release we had planned will not come today. I said, why? The office is closed in Bangalore. I said, everything was okay yesterday. I said, yeah, but Rajkumar has died. I said, who died? Rajkumar. Rajkumar? Who is a Rajkumar? Rajkumar is a Rajkumar. He died. So, what are you talking about? What is the connection? Rajkumar died. So, the city is shut down. Now, when the city is shut down, the office cannot open. When the office cannot open, we don't get the relief. He said, oh God, what the hell are you telling me? What is the correlation between an actor dying and an office not working? I mean, it's very difficult for people to understand how we work. When I was trying to learn my license, to get my license there, learn driving car there, I had a tough time. Even after 4 months, 2 trials, I didn't get my license. So my instructor was frustrated, forget about me. So I was like, I could not understand simple thing. On a highway, I have to drive 120. And I'm not able to do that. And I am not understanding why I'm not able to. I'm very, timid. My instructor shouted at me once, look, I don't know why you are like this. It's already 4 months now. You drive as if somebody will come from somewhere. I said, boss, this is it, Eureka moment. This is the answer. The question has the answer. In India, somebody will come from somewhere. That is the reason I am driving there. He said, here, nobody will come, you just drive. But if you see back home, these potholes, they come in all forms and shapes, right? I mean, nowadays I heard they are using it to show maps for kids. They say, hey, ye dekho Karnataka, hey, wo dekho Tamil Nadu, ye na wo DU Daman hai, wo choda choda wala hai na. Apparently, some potholes are so big that on the outer ring road they found water. They're so deep, right? They found water in it. So, but I was booked for a crime that I didn't commit. He said, I have booked you for POTA. Those of you know POTA, Prevention of Terrorism. I said, "Tho, mera to gaya, mera career gaya, life gaya, sab kuch gaya." He said, sir, this is not that POTA. Then what? This is pothole avoidance. I said, what is pothole avoidance? Sir, you are driving zigzag. I am avoiding pothole, na? That is why you have to pay a fine, na? He said, "Ye to kya hua?" I said, sir, don't argue with me. If you want, you can go and do something with the court. So my sister works in High Court, okay? So I put a public interest litigation, PIL. That's the easiest thing to do apart from studying in IM nowadays. So I put a PIL. Now in that PIL, everything over, final judgment day, argument day, the expert from BBMP was called to explain. So question was simple. Why are you guys not fixing potholes? Very fair, simple question. We are paying tax. The expert answer was brilliant, okay? He says, sir, potholes are like energy, sir. Means they can neither be created nor destroyed. They can only move from one place to another, sir. What can I do, sir? Pothole or pothole? I said, oh. This is very frustrating, It's very frustrating because when I drive, then I swear at people. Gali, bad language, all dirty shit. But my wife complains. See, the only person who hears your dirty stuff is me. Because you have closed the window. Right? It's closed. It is not Delhi. In Delhi, apparently, if you open the window, you cannot even see inside the car. Utna small. But here we close it. Now what happens? I have to find something. I have to find a solution to this problem that I should swear, but I should not swear. Okay? Dichotomy. So, being an innovator, thoda invent kiya. My horn, I changed. My horn is not like your car horn. Your car horn is like na 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 na. If I press the horn, first my camera will detect the number plate of the car ahead of me. Okay? If it is KA, okay? Now if the camera reads MH, Maharashtra, if it is UP, Bihar, I give up. I don't compete. Okay? It just goes on. It's very fun. Forget that. Simple indicators people don't use. Indicators has been for decades now. Indicator is an afterthought in India, right? Meaning after I turn, if I have time, if I have mood, karenge kuch, it's okay, thanks, This guy on MG Road, he was showing his hand like this, okay, right. So obviously, apparently he goes right. No, after a few minutes, again he puts his hand. Now he makes a cross like this, okay, cross like this. I said, what the hell is going on? Then my wife said, she's laughing. She said, you didn't understand? He said, no. She said, he showed right. Now he's cancelling that signal. So he wants to go straight. I said, very bad, This is crazy. Huh? This is unbelievable. I mean, people go on footpath. Please don't drink and drive. But people go on footpath and kill people. They say, no, I was not driving. Where were you? I was just holding. I was just holding the steering. The car was doing Atmanirbhar driving. The world is talking about autonomous driving. We already have Atmanirbhar driving. We don't give a shit. We drive independent of everything else and anybody else. But this actor had the audacity to say, when I killed human beings, I have realized how important it is being human. I hope you got it. Okay? He's saying I was busy shooting black buck, not here. But okay, fine, whatever. This brings to this our engineers to management. In engineering, we try to understand facts. Engineering is a science, no? So we understand facts. But we engineers, we prepare exam based on previous question paper. So we half the chapters we leave. We don't even study half the chapters. Okay. So when we come out of engineering, we know half the truths, half facts, half knowledge. After that, we work for some years. We get half proficiency because we were starting on half knowledge. So after engineering, we had half knowledge. Now we have half proficiency. Then we join IIM. In IIM, we will not understand the case study is for finance or for strategy. Utna confused ho gaya. ठीक है? Then after IIM, we have half knowledge, half proficiency from work, half understanding from IIM, but full confidence because we have data. We have somebody's data. Okay, everything is half. But there is a difference. If you see an IIM MBA and a non-IIM MBA, there is a difference. You can make out. I'll tell you how to make out. Suppose you're selling a car and you're propagating that you have a new airbag system. Okay, this non-IIM MBA guy will also do a good job. He says, if I go and ask him, boss, what is so special about your car and airbag? He said, sir, ours is best in class, sir. Our failure rate is only 2%. Competitors' lowest is 3%. So we are 50% better. Okay, reasonably argued. IIM MBA is not like that. He is even what chalu hai. He said, sir, our car's airbag is the best in class, sir. He said, how? Whoever has bought this car, no sir, has not come back and complained that airbag doesn't work, sir. What do you think? It's a fantastic, sir. So it's like, what the hell he just said? You don't even know what he said, because it's fully confidence. If you do well in IIM, we'll go and do some good work. If you don't do so well, we'll join the top 4 and enjoy. That's how it is. But even in IIM, IIMK is special apart from all other IIMs. IIMX versus IIMK, we still have a better set of people. I'll tell you how. IIMX people, they can sell ice to Eskimos. Okay? Both badhiya. Like, they were punters. They will do it. IIMK. K is unique. K is Kerala specialization. We have K. Many people think IIM Kaushik, IIM Kolkata, whatever they think they will say. But IIMK is Kerala speciality. What is Kerala speciality? If IIMX people can sell ice to Eskimos, IIMK people can make Shashi Tharoor sit in a group of people and make him stare at only the male anchor in the Utna capacity. Yes, we can do it. Yeah. We will do it. Yeah. Only we can do it. Yeah. Right. So, it is always beautiful to understand this. The other day I was hearing about the fight between PGP and EPGP. Okay, I'm EPGP. So, I have to touch upon that to be fair, right? EPGP and PGP is a constant debate. Okay? EPGP thinks PGP is a joke, PGP thinks EPGP is a joke. Okay? And professors think both are jokes. EPGP, it is like this. If you give peanuts, the normal cliche quote says, if you give peanuts, you get monkeys. So if you give peanuts, let's say you get EPGP. Now, Jack Ma said that in a different way. He said, if you give monkey peanuts and PGPs, be careful, if you give monkey, offer a choice of peanuts and PGPs, whom will the monkey choose? Any answers? It depends whether the monkey is EPGP or PGP. Depending on that, it will select EPGP or PGP. But the whole point is, in the end, you are still working for a monkey only. Okay? That is the whole beauty of it. But anyway, let's not debate it. And any comedy will not be justified if you don't talk about the funny things that happen in Bangalore. Bangalore, those of you don't know Bangalore and those of you know Bangalore, please remember, Silk Board is an official tourist spot now. People all over the world come to see what the hell is this Silk Board. They think they can buy some silk saree or something, but that's in Mysore. Silk Board is in Bangalore. Okay, the traffic jam is so bad that the latest startup that is working in Bangalore successfully is selling slip-on diapers, slip-on adult diapers for people stuck in traffic in Bangalore, where you can use it without doing anything to your clothes. You can just use it in whatever situation you are in. It's doing very well, and they're selling like hell. Okay. Now there is something called Whitefield. There is nothing white about it. It's filled with brown dust and black smoke. Okay, and has one of the most famous junctions called the Hopeless Farm Junction. If you can cross it, you feel you have achieved something. That's all you need. But it is also known for army establishments. Bangalore is known for army establishments. Every other building is an army establishment. Okay, and every third building is an IT establishment, IT company. In between, there is a option for the officers to handle their mess. It's called officers' mess. So, army building, IT building, officers' mess. Army building, everything is there. Now, it's very easy to see an army building. They put a board. Trespassers will be prosecuted. Okay? Now, IT companies are very low on creativity. They borrowed that idea. They said trespassers will be recruited. They said, be careful. If you come here, we're going to hire you, not fire you. Okay? So, it's very funny how Bangalore works as such. But it's a nice place to be. And like I said, half the people are selling for the other half. I got a message the other day on my phone which said, it's been a long time since we saw you. Hospital. I said, why would I do that? May offer 60% off on spine surgery. And if you take that, your wife gets 40% on knee surgery. I said, ye kya hai? This is shirt and pant. Diwali sale. My goodness, this is actually happening. I get a call from motherhood. It's been a while we saw you. Now it's lockdown. Sab kuch band hai. Right? I mean, it's so annoying sometimes to be here. But whatever it is, I think we have had a lot of fun. I think it's wonderful to be here. And I have shared my bit of thoughts here. I hope it was funny enough for you to have a laugh. If not, Namit has made sure that he has laughed for me. We were divided by Corona, but we are united by IIMK Association. Hip hip hooray, and here I am, SK signing off. Thank you so much.
Please stay back.